That was crazy. I thought for sure I was in this lane, turn left, turn right.
Well, y'all, slime is down. I was about to enjoy a good morning, but so you want to get in my next video?
Yeah.
Go ahead, I'm gonna just throw this clip in.
Well, hey everybody.
That's all you gonna say?
Yeah.
That's it?
Mhm.
Alright, man.
Go fast. Take off.
You said take off.
Take off. Take off. Yes, sir.
So I'm out here at a car meet. It's the car club car meet, but you know, other car clubs is here. Most of the cars is familiar to y'all. See that green over there? What's up, man? What's up, y'all? Y'all know it's already recording. You want to shout something?
It was just all bad. What's up?
What's up, y'all? What's going on?
We missed you.
Come on. Hey, boy, I make her nervous every time I throw it in her face.
What, the camera?
Yeah.
We missed you. We know you had to do your thing and
Work.
be responsible and shit. I know.
Still got to go to work.
I know. I figured. I was like, she's not here. She either working. I was like,
I was actually recording a video before I came here.
oh, okay.
Shout it out, man.
Oh man, you know what it is. Scatpack _392. Make sure y'all go like, share, subscribe, all that good shit.
Even though that ain't his channel.
Nah.
Appreciate the support, though.
What's
going on, man? Try to see what kind of footage I can get out of this, just in case somebody, you know, want to act up and we get kicked out the parking lot.
I damn sure can. Hey Slime, I know you got the camera in my face and I don't even want to look at you. Hey, how you doing? I don't need
What's
no
up?
introduction. How y'all doing, man? You know the vibes.
I hit the curbs. I ran up a tree. This nigga said I hit curbs every day. I ran up a tree. Bro, that shit was crazy. It was an everyday thing, bro. Like,
What, to run up a tree, my nigga?
oh no, hitting curbs. Bro, why was you always hitting curbs? I don't. You couldn't see? I couldn't see, bro. It's just like I was trying to be too cool to see low and lean back all the way and shit.
Bro, this nigga hitting curves in the V6.
Bro,
He about to hit people in that V8 right there, bro.
Hey, on God, yesterday come back from South Carolina, I almost hit somebody.
See? He about died. He about died.
And that's why I was talking shit.
Something wrong with his vision or something?
Yeah, he called can't drive.
You might need to stop chilling in the car. You might need to focus.
I take it you must gotta work tonight, son.
Come on now. Come on now. I'm working.
I know your real name, but I'm gonna change that shit.
To what?
I'm never gonna call your real name. Your new name for me is work clothes.
Work clothes.
That's all I ever say.
Hey. I'm gonna have your design drawn up by Monday.
Shit. What is that? We gotta talk off.
What's up, man?
What's up, man? Shit.
You didn't change your name on Instagram. So the videos before, it's like, yo, now you got to shout it out.
Now it's RT._. Oh wait, nah.
Come on, get it right.
RT.Tony_. There you go.
Then what, next is gonna be what? SRT what?
You never know. You never know. See me in a year.
Alright, y'all, here go a comparison. Y'all see how the front looks without a splitter versus with a splitter.
nigga, what? I said, nigga, I've been in junkyard.
It's a complete difference. I can't go without one.
Hey, look, another W. Another W.
You got a hellcat or the one the most?
So we got a couple races about to happen.
Oh, shit.
So we about to go to Mexico?
Yeah, we're gonna go to Mexico real quick.
Let me throw this out.
Normally with a taser you gotta leave it plugged in. I sold my taser.
Right.
But my car's still tased.
I be feeling the same way too.
It shifts harder in track.
Yeah.
I think if I was gonna race like a shorter distance, it would be better in track. But like on highway, I'd be dogging niggas on speed custom, honestly.
Look at these Corvettes. This is the C8 Corvette. Oh, this looks good.
Big ass turbo. Yeah.
That me?
What did you die?
Where is Alpha? Where you on? I was in the Alpha. BMW.
Oh, wheels look good. You can't see it in the light, but they real glossy.
Cause the way I move in my circle, the niggas around me a lot smarter.
Talk to him.
You know, it's off camera. You know, I talk to him when I get my car back.
But tell him you did swing it though.
You know, I did. Period.
Alright, shout your Instagram out.
Mango the Stallion.
Stop saying that shit. Stop saying periods. Dumbest shit I've ever fucking heard.
I'm gonna put that at the intro.
Please do.
You say it one more time.
My girlfriend said that shit too, and I fucking hate it. Uneducated. Mad as fuck.
Hey, that might be the word of the video, period.
Yeah, when I got Frank, put this shit at the end.
Put period at the end.
Yeah.
Well, y'all, slime is down. So we're about to enjoy a good morning, but this didn't happen.
I'm gonna let him carry it on down there, because whenever the cars down there, the insurance will respond quicker, because the insurance got to pay storage every day.
Alright.
So if you carry it home, they'll respond slowly. If I carry it down there, and they got to pay them $45 a day for it to sit there in their fence, they respond quickly.
Alright.
So I'm having to carry it down there, because you know what Cox is. Okay, I'm having to carry it down there.
Appreciate it.
Alright.
Airbags came out. Windshield busted. Not the pedal box. That came out. My brother was in the back seat, and my friend was in the front. Everybody okay at the moment, but you know how it be whenever you shooken up. I tried to pop the hood, but the hood won't pop. We was over towards that way, go towards that way, and knocked me all the way over here. That's the second part right there. Right there. I'm recording off my iPhone, so I don't know how the quality gonna turn out. More than likely, it's totaled. The frame right here, it looks like it's broke. I'm hurt, but not physically hurt, but emotionally. And everybody's okay though.
What U-turn you can make this way.
I was turn left. I turn right.
Exactly, but you had your right turn signal on. Your right signal on.
He's already in the turning lane. Then you swear back over.
Let's work over this way. This
We was
direction.
going to.
You drunk,
he,
No, I'm no.
he asked how fast we were going. We were going to speed limit.
We was good, bro.
We was going to speed limit. You swerved back in the lane. That's what made everything hit.
That's crazy. I thought for sure I was in this lane to turn left, turn around. I just want to turn around and go back that way. That's all.
You got insurance, man?
You turn around right there.
You can't turn around right there.
We got insurance.
You called somebody already?
Oh yeah, they're supposed to be on the way. My wife called somebody.
Don't even worry about it, dog. I just got 24.
Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Let's do it. The bit loving boom cuz. Let's do it. The bit like a boom cuz. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. The bit living boom cause she liking my flow. Been being on all bitch caught the scope. Beat the bar to ride with me and lit bow. I know that bitch like her, she threw up the foe. No roofing on that bitch gon' hit the door. I'm in the hood with my bro. No slime I do, but I still wipe your nose. Let's do it. Let's do it. Bring my twin out the pin, he real. I started to put Now I'm showing to the other targets. They do it. Hot little ball now.